Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, we got a 2019 Chevy Tahoe, fully loaded. We're not even going to get into the discussion of the rim theft. Everybody in the world knows about it. So yeah, you got to protect yourself, or you will find this car on full bricks very quickly. Basically, you got to. Comes with the lug nut locks from factory, but I do recommend putting 2 more. But that's only going to slow them down. It's not, you know, that's not the fix and just go ahead and get lug nut locks and you think you're safe. No, they will stick a smaller socket. They will hammer it in by pressure, but that's time consuming. And the best thing of all, the shock sensor add-on kit to this factory alarm will love you for that, because the minute they bang on that lug nut locks, that will fire off the alarm system. Yes, from factory, these cars do come fully loaded, but the only way it works for the factory alarm to fire off if a door is open. So they will bust your window, they will jump in and grab you and go through your glove box without opening any of the doors. Yeah, I'm gonna try the rim first, the tire first. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on it and you will hear a countdown and you'll know that the alarm is gonna set off. Turn it off, you just hit unlock on the remote control and that will shut it off. That will give you the window protection. If they try to bust out that keyhole, it will fire off. This shock sensor add-on, which is a must, whoever owns these Chevy Tahoes and they got these type of rims, they are hitting these type of vehicles like crazy. Our phone numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And this is Auto Alarm Specialist, and yes, we do have free mobile service, and we're located in Miami, Florida. Thank you for watching this video.